Hi, welcome to our second video for Level 3 Probability Concepts. We're going to recap some basic ideas for probability trees. Straight into our example. A pack of 52 cards is shuffled and a card is drawn at random. The card is not replaced into the pack and the pack is shuffled again. A second card is drawn from the pack. Right, we're going to demonstrate how to draw this into a probability tree. So the first card could either be a heart or a no heart. There are 13 hearts in a standard pack of cards. So let's put the probability on the branch. 13 chances out of 52 it could be hearts. And the rest are no hearts. So that's 39 chances out of 52. If the first card was a heart, the second card could still be a heart or a no heart. Because there are 13 hearts at the start, there's now only going to be 12 hearts to choose from in the second card. And there's only going to be 51 cards left in the pack because the first card's not replaced. But if the first card was a heart, there are still 39 cards that are not hearts to be selected second. So it's 39 chances out of the 51 cards that remain in the pack. If the first card, however, was a no heart, the second card could be a heart or a no heart. And because we had 39 no hearts to start with, once we select the first no heart, there are now only 38 no hearts left. So 38 out of 51, because we only have 51 cards left after we take the first card out. And because we had 13 hearts at the start, there are still going to be 13 hearts to pick for our second card, 13 out of 51. Here's the probability tree finished. So let's answer some questions. What is the probability both cards are hearts? So here's our probability tree, and we want the probability both cards are hearts. Well, there's only one scenario of a heart first and a heart second. And to work out the probability of this occurring, we multiply the two probabilities on the branches to get 156 out of 2,652. So we can answer this question and say the probability both cards are hearts is 156 out of 2,652. We could simplify the fraction if it simplifies. We can turn it into a decimal. Always round probabilities to 4 significant figures if you can remember. Or we could multiply it by 100 to get a percentage. All right, part B. What is the probability exactly one of the cards is a heart? So here's our probability tree, and we want the probability exactly one of them is a heart. Well, we've got a couple of scenarios. The first scenario is a heart first and then a no heart. So let's multiply those two probabilities to work out the probability of this scenario. But there is another option of getting a not heart first and then a heart second. So let's multiply those two probabilities to get the probability for this scenario. And when we have more than one scenario, we're going to add up the two probabilities to get the total probability of this occurring. So 507 plus 507 gives us 1,014 out of 2,652. And again, sometimes our fraction can simplify, or we could turn it into a decimal or a percentage. Right, part C. What is the probability at least one card is a heart? Well, here's our probability tree once again, and we want to work out the probability at least one of them is a heart. Well, we've got many options or scenarios here. The first one is getting 2 hearts, because if I get 2 hearts, at least one of them is a heart. So let's multiply these probabilities to get the probability of this scenario. We could have a heart first and then a no heart. Let's multiply these probabilities. Or we could get a no heart first and a heart second. So there are actually 3 possibilities in this scenario. And when we have more than one scenario, we're going to add up the probabilities, add these all up to get the total probability at least one card is a heart, to get a total probability of 1,170 out of 2,652, which again could simplify down if the fraction can, or we could convert it to a decimal or a percentage if we prefer. Right, that's us for this video, so thank you so much for watching.